channel. Okay, so today's video, finally I'm showing you my beauty room makeover. I know I've been talking a lot about this on Instagram, on YouTube, and a bunch of you have been waiting for this video, and trust me, it was a struggle bus to get this video up. I had so many obstacles going on, but no, it's finally up. Okay, so my previous setup is actually a bit sentimental to me because it has come with me throughout this journey. It has been with me since I first started this whole beauty journey, especially on Instagram. You will see in the clips later that I have this one, like a short shelf thing, which I spray painted gold because I wanted to give it like a gold effect, but it was an epic fail. But that was my main makeup storage, and it did the job, which I was super happy with. So to be parting with this old thing was a bit hard, but I am obsessed with how the new thing has turned out. Okay, so how this all started, I was never ever thinking in a million years that I'm going to change my entire beauty room. I think the only thing I would have done is just put some stuff on the wall just to add a bit more decorations, but not a revamp like this. I think the main problem that I was facing was storage, because I started receiving PR and I've got a lot of stuff like hair tools, makeup and products and skincare and so many things that everything was everywhere, and I did not have any storage compartment at all. So what I used to do is I used to just take this stuff, put it on the table, and then when I need to film, I will remove it, put it on the floor, on the chair, film my stuff, and then move it back. So that's how everything was going on, and I thought that finally, like, no, I think I want to change it up a bit. I want to get a bit more of storage room and all that stuff. So that's how it first started. So going into this, I wanted something, the theme of the room that I was going for, I wanted something white. I wanted it to look clean and crisp, and I wanted enough storage for things to go inside so that not a lot of stuff is like visible, you know, like, because I've had everything everywhere for so many years that I finally wanted everything to be tucked into place. I wanted like every little thing to have its like space of its own. So that's why I actually thought of getting the IKEA shelves. But the IKEA shelves are quite expensive. Like if you can go to IKEA, it's about 500 ringgit, I think. And when I was googling and researching, I actually found, like on Facebook Marketplace, a bunch of people actually sell this IKEA inspired shelves. So they are a lot more cheaper than the ones that you see in IKEA, but they look exactly the same, they do the exact same thing. I was so happy when I saw it. I discussed with my mom, I discussed with my husband, and they all said like, yeah, you're gonna do it. My mom actually gifted me these shelves. Thank you, mommy. So I finally found a supplier in Klang that sells this. I will link them down below if you wanna like check them out and all that stuff. So let's go pick up the stuff first. Hi guys, so it's actually the next day, and it's, I don't know if you can say, it's 12:41 like AM. I have just actually decided that let me assemble the drawers, which I'm super excited for. My husband volunteered to help, but I think I want to do it on my own because I actually love assembling things, and I want to just put on like some show, like maybe Grey's Anatomy or New Girl, and then do it slowly, you know. Oh, so therapeutic. Also today I went to Kaison. I wanted to look for some decorations. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got this really cute unicorn looking thing. I think this is like a tissue holder, you know, the ones like you fold inside, and I thought it was so pretty. Look at that. And this was only $2.99. So cute, right? I do not know what I want to put in the middle, but I think like just like this, it is so pretty. Got some flowers, like plastic flowers. You know, Kaison is known for that. Ta-da! Look at this, so pretty, right? These were on sale as well, $1.99 for like one stock. So I got 3. Okay, lastly, when I was almost walking out of Kaison, I actually saw this frame and I was like, I need it. I'm not leaving Kaison without it. Ta-da! you guys see? Oh my god, so pretty. It's actually like a black background. Like when you see it inside, it's like a black background, but when you see it in the light, if you can see now, it looks like an emerald green, which is so exciting. And the gold leaves sort of shimmer. I mean, it's not picking up on camera, but I think it's gonna look so pretty on the wall behind. I'm so excited. This was 20 ringgit and 90 cents. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. I've only managed to do like 4 drawers and like the side shelf. So once I actually realized that there was no manual in it, I started just trying to figure it out on my own, which went quite well. Then the next morning I actually texted the girl and I said like, hey, there was no manual in it, and she sent me a soft copy one and it was all fine. I managed to get it all up. And then I moved on to fixing the table, and that was pretty straightforward. The table was the easiest, I want to say, because it was just like few units shelving come together. So the table was quite easy. So now I'm going to show you what my room like looked like before. I know you did see like a clip earlier, but this was how it looked like before. Please don't judge me. I had a lot of stuff. I still have a lot of stuff, but now I have kept it away nicely. I had a lot of things going on and I had so much PR come in, so everything was everywhere, and I was also in the midst of sorting out things that I want to keep and things that I don't want to keep. So the room is a mess. Please just ignore that. Okay guys, so this is what my room looks like currently, my current setup. So I always have my table here, and this is my backdrop. This is what you see, and I've got my 2 studio lights here, soft boxes. Please don't judge me. Everything is everywhere because actually I do not have enough space to keep everything, so that's why I'm actually changing it up. Usually all my makeup is in this drawer and this drawer here, so that's why I actually decided to redo everything, because I just needed some more space to put all of my products. So this is what it looks like before. Okay, so now that you've seen that before, everything was everywhere. I didn't have enough space, but I still loved my previous setup because a lot of the stuff have been with me in this journey from like a few years ago when I started, especially that weirdly sprayed gold shelf. I've not thrown it actually, it's actually in the other room. I'm still trying to figure out what to do with it. Anyways, I know a lot of you have been waiting for the final reveal. Let's go and have a look at that first. So this is the new setup. As you can see, I'm super excited with it. Let me take you closer and I'll just glance through like what's going on in the shelves, and yeah. So this is an overview of what everything looks like. You can see Titan. This is the table. I've placed it right in front of the shelves. And this is the new backdrop and also storage unit. Okay, so all these frames are from Kaison. All the flowers that you see are also from Kaison. We've got my wedding photo. We've got Mum and I. You know, I remember this photo. We were actually taking the photo, and then the uncle taking this photo was like pose, you know, and then we decided like, whoo, we're gonna look at that, look how young I look. Okay. Then we've got the letter A, which has been following me from the beginning. This is my like ring storage, and then we have all my watches and my bracelets and stuff here. Another fake flower, and then this one, you guys, this one I actually got it from the 2 ringgit shop. How cool. This tiny unicorn. This unicorn is also from Kaison. Yeah, and flowers. All the vase, so 1, 2, 3, and 4 are from Kaison. This one was from 2 ringgit shop. So I'm going to quickly just run through how I've organized everything. So all the storage that you see, all the baskets and all that stuff, everything was from 2 ringgit shop, which was pretty impressive. So this one is got a bunch of like miscellaneous stuff like batteries, cables, eyelash glue, my eyebrow trimmer, everything is here. Here we have all my eyeliners and mascaras, lip liners, a bunch of my contact lens, lip balm, my scissors, lip products. I need to stock this up. I've got my mascara because the packaging on this was so pretty that I didn't want to like stuff it in here. And this is a new blush that I got, and a bunch of my sponge that needs washing. Okay, in the second drawer is all my face stuff. So we have setting powders, bronzer, blush, and highlighter. Foundations, I got a couple more that I need to like arrange it in. It's in the private class, it's in the makeup class. Setting spray, primer, and then my bigger palettes, I've just sort of arranged it here. The third drawer, we have all my eyeshadow palettes, a bunch of pigments, eyelashes and stuff. So all eyeshadows are here. In the last drawer, I basically have my camera bag and a bunch of like random bags. Okay, so on the other side, for the first drawer, is actually basically all my skincare and all that stuff. So I've got deodorant, my SPF, and then inside this box, I've basically got all the skincare that brand sent me that I've not completely used like until it finished. So they are all inside here. My caps and cables. In the second drawer is all my hair products, so tools, brushes, curling iron, hair dryer, that wand, and all my hair like products. So I've got all my dry shampoos, heat protectant spray, mini travel size shampoos, serums, and all that stuff here. And then in the third drawer, I've just got some miscellaneous stuff. I've got some extra storage, but I'm going to use this drawer to put in all my nail stuff. So you know, I do my own extensions as well, so all my nail stuff is going to go into here. And the last drawer is basically all my PR boxes, which I refuse to throw away. This carpet is from Kaison. It was only 15 ringgit. How cool is that? The desk, it's pretty standard. I've got my brushes there, my mirror, and my two softbox lights here, and that's about it. How pretty is this space now? I'm so obsessed. Okay guys, so that is the final result. I hope you like it as much as I like it. It did take me a lot of effort, but I just obsessed with how everything has turned out. The little details, the generic white clean theme that we have going on is honestly a vibe for me. So I'm so happy. I hope you enjoyed this video, coming along this whole process and changing things up. I'm so glad that I don't have to keep hiding the background anymore, like we can shoot per normal. So thank you so much for watching until here. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.